All right, I'm going to demo a very simple game, just like Pong. So it's 2D tennis, but I've added a bit of a twist. You can add the players' names and choose a profile pic. So let's just start here. Greg, and I'll just add a profile pic. And we'll put Casey, choose a pic. Just choose this one. And then we'll start the game. And spacebar to start. So the controls are below. So W and S is for player 1. Up and down is for Casey, player 2. So I'm just going to play against myself here, but as you can see, we've got a very simple game of Pong here. And we've got the profile pics, so it kind of adds a bit of customization. And we got a sound effect there. And the game will go up to something like 11. So this is the Pong game. So I'm just going to close it. I should probably add a feature to stop the game. But I'll just go behind the scenes and I'll show you my prompts. Alright, so I started off with the prompt, create a 2D tennis game like Pong. And then I used the enhanced prompt to come up with something that was more detailed. So let's just go to the prompt and I'll show you what I mean. Create a game similar to Pong. And the AI is smart enough to recognize a game like Pong, and then you can click the icon here for enhanced prompt. So you can see there that it really expands on that one line request, and that's the magic sauce right there. So that was my first prompt. So it went ahead and did that if we're focusing on the left. And then I saw the first version, and that's where I have my second prompt. Allow the ability to add player 1 and 2 names and add a profile pic. So this dialog box you see here is what came of that second prompt, and it did a pretty good job, exactly what I needed. And yeah, that is it. I deployed the application to this URL, and that's a simple game that we have. I mean, you can use your imagination to make this more complex. You could probably ask it to change some of the colors. Maybe you want to make the paddle longer or give the ability to customize the size of it. So you can use your creativity to make it more interesting, but this is just a basic example of how you can make a Pong game, a 2D Pong game, using bolt.new. So maybe you want to use this as inspiration to create a similar or even another game using some of the ideas here. So hopefully this video lesson helps you out and inspires you to create some of your own games using AI coding.